content marketing, comes all of the top of the funnel where you educate the people about your project. Second comes the middle of the funnel. That's where I think a lot of growth hack happens, where you jump from the top of the funnel to the middle of the funnel directly. When you do a brand plus product communication with a word of mouth, which could be as simple as influencer marketing, could be collabs opportunities like Cred, Dunzo. There are a lot of collabs opportunities over there, or something like Smitten, if you've heard about a platform name is Smitten. So that's where the middle of the funnel comes in. The last part comes the bottom of the funnel, which I think everybody wants to start with because they want sales and they want a 10x ROI in the day one. So that's where my product communication is very strong, where my major channels is my marketplace ads, my Google Smart Shopping, my Amazon marketing services where I can directly sell through the Amazon. You see a product over there and you directly buy towards it. That's the bottom of the funnel marketing. So we're going to talk about which particular funnel is very important and how from an X to 10X the growth has to go. Where does my budget has to go, whether my budget has to go on the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, or all three at the same time.